This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Marla Finkelstein. New construction, to be completed by end of June 2020, in Ferndale's Malloy Terrace. High-end features throughout, entry west / soaring 19 ceilings, open floor plan, living room west / gas fireplace, stone wall west / mantle, dining area and gorgeous kitchen, quartz, glass tile backsplash, walk-in pantry, 4 bdrms, junior suite on main level, 3.5 baths, stainless cable railing and lighted stairs, fully tiled showers, laundry room on upper level, deck off master. Backs up to green space. For more information, review the details below or contact Marla Finkelstein at 360-734-7500.